motion is 7. Those against the motion is 32. Those against the motion have it. The motion is defeated. I now declare that Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar is elected to the office of the Speaker. I now request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister, and Shri Yuri Alemao, Honorable Leader of Opposition, to lead Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar, the newly elected Speaker, to the seat of the Speaker in the House.
Congratulations. All the best. Yes, congratulations.